Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fill out the China online visa application form COVA or COVA. And before anything else, make sure you choose the right consulate for your area. So each Chinese consulate covers certain states. That's the jurisdiction. If you pick the wrong one, your application can be refused. You choose the consulate at the very start of the COVA form and you can't change it later. So double check the jurisdiction list on the page first. So to get started, open your browser and go to visarite.com, tap China Visa Service, then pick your visa type, tourist, business, or non-commerce. So for this walkthrough, I'm choosing tourist visa. Scroll down to fill out China online visa application form and tap it. And on the next page, hit start my application. And then you'll be asked to choose the city where you'll apply and pick the one that matches the consulate for your state. Then after that, the Cova form opens and you can begin. So have a few things ready to make this easy for you. So your passport details, your travel dates, your US address, a contact or address in China, hotel is fine, and a passport style photo that meets the size rules. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your passport, same spelling, same order. Use simple, clear answers, no special characters or extra spaces. And if the site gives you an application ID or asks you to set a password, write those down so you can save and come back later. And before you submit, do a slow review of each page, especially names, dates, and passport number. Small typos can delay your visa. And once everything looks good, submit the form, download or print the confirmation, and follow the next instructions shown on the page. And that's it. Pick the correct consulate, start the form, fill it carefully, and review before you submit. If this helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple travel how-tos. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.